In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your favorite locations on Google Maps in just 5 quick minutes. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your important places are always at your fingertips, whether you're planning a trip or just want to remember that great little cafe you stumbled upon. So let's dive in. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome or any browser of your choice where you have access to Google services. Once there, cast your eyes towards the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a small icon that looks a bit like a grid of dots. This is the Google Apps icon. Clicking on it will open a menu displaying various services provided by Google. In this menu, you'll want to find and click on the Maps icon. This will smoothly launch Google Maps in a new tab or window, the tool we'll be using for the demonstration today. Now think about that location you wish to save, whether it's a future destination or a place you frequent and want to keep track of. Using the search bar at the top of Google Maps, type in the name or address of the place you want to save and hit enter. This action will prompt Google Maps to pinpoint the exact spot you're interested in. When your desired location appears on the map, you'll see its name and some basic information displayed on the left. Next, tap on the name of the location. Doing this will bring up more detailed information about the place, including directions, reviews, and photos. This is also the place where you'll initiate the saving process. Look for the Save button and click on it. This button is usually highlighted, making it easy to spot. Now here comes a wonderful feature Google Maps offers. After clicking Save, you're given the option to either save the location to an existing list, or if you prefer, create a new one. For instance, you might have a list for favorite restaurants or places to visit, making it easy to organize and access your locations later on. And there you have it, a quick, effective way to keep your favorite places on Google Maps, ensuring they are just a click away whenever you need them. Whether you're an avid traveler or someone who just loves exploring your local area, this method ensures you're always ready to locate and remember those special spots. Remember, saving locations in Google Maps can greatly enhance your traveling efficiency and personal organization. With these steps mastered, you'll be prepared for whatever journey lies ahead. Thank you for joining me today, and happy exploring.